Hello everyone and welcome back to HomeFoodCook. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make mashed potatoes. Let's begin. To make this recipe you will need 1 kilogram of potatoes, 30 grams of butter, 150 milliliter of milk, 100 grams of creme fraiche or fresh cream, 5 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper. Okay, so we need to cut the potatoes like that, so it cooks very fast, and then we put it on the stove for 20 to 25 minutes. When the water is boiling, we put the garlic. I cut them in halves. And now we need to add the potatoes to the boiling water. Okay. And we let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so our potatoes are cooked. Now we need to put the butter, and then we put the black pepper and some salt, and we smash them. Now we add the milk, and the cream, and we mix. Okay, so after I have mixed all the ingredients together, our mashed potatoes is ready. If you want it grainy, you can let it like that. But if you want it to be smooth, you can mix it again. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like it, and see you next time. Bye bye.